What is cryptocurrency? Definition, types, buying guides and more. Cryptocurrencies are a digital currency that uses cryptography for security. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government regulation. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. Cryptocurrencies are often bought and sold on exchanges and can be stored in wallets. Cryptocurrencies are volatile, so their value can rise and fall rapidly. Some people see cryptocurrencies as a transformative technology, while others see them as a passing fad. Cryptocurrencies are legal in the US, but their tax status is still unclear. Blockchain, the technology that powers cryptocurrencies, is a decentralized processing and recording system.